In a small town, there lived a clever but greedy man named Rafik. He owned a goose that laid one golden egg every week. With each egg, he grew richer, but Rafik was never satisfied. One day, he thought, if this goose lays one golden egg a week, there must be many more inside. Why wait? He decided to cut the goose open and take all the golden eggs at once. His wife warned him, don't be greedy. One egg a week is a blessing. But Rafik wouldn't listen. He said, why settle for one when I can have all? He rushed to the barn, grabbed a knife, and killed the goose. But to his horror, there was nothing inside no eggs, just an ordinary goose's insides. Rafik fell to his knees crying, what have I done? He had lost the one thing that gave him gold, all because of greed. From that day, Rafik lived in regret and poverty, learning the harsh truth. Greed takes away what patience gives. Moral: those who want all at once often end up with nothing.